Wow, I found another trail. Took me up a little bit higher. Rusty Pete place here. We got this fence here, right here. Runs along. This is resource protection area. Oh, but here's a view from the top. Not bad. Got a few windmills over there. And behind these trees, there's even more windmills. Yeah. So, all right. Let's see if this will work now. Go down this way. It's really steep. Get on my Steve. Steve! Alright. Yeah. Then we're gonna turn this way. This is a really mellow part here. And it gets super steep. So let's see if my brakes work. St. Alton. There you go, there's windmills. Yeah, it's really steep here. Super steep. Super steep, super steep, you super steep, yeah. Keep on steeping. Keep on steeping, baby. Keep on steeping. Rock steep. Everybody wants some. Whoa, 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 whoa. Sure is a lot easier going down and coming up. Man, I don't believe it. How you go up, you can go down. What goes up must come down. Spinning wheels, round and round. Talk about the weather, to decide. Ride the pain on the end of bit high. You got no rocks, you got no blocks. Drive and pedal, keep it alive. And we go. Whoa! Now we're in the fastest lane. Sure enough, lose your mind. Like these two grips, these gloves. Wind! Power. Got some windy power. Downhill gravity. Downhill. go that way? I could. I go this way too. Man, maybe I should go that way.